Have you ever wondered if your device is working properly? If you want to review the status of scheduled runs and track your device's operations, the History page provides everything you need. Click on Settings, then select History. The system will default to displaying all runtime records for the device. ImoLaza offers two options for filtering history views, by date and by categories. Let's first look at viewing by date. Click on Date, then follow the prompts to choose a start date and click Confirm, followed by picking an end date and clicking Confirm again. This will limit the view to the range you set. Filtering by different categories is just as straightforward. Click on the relevant keyword, then tap the Confirm button at the bottom to see matching records. For instance, if I want to check cases of weather skips, I'd click on Skip and then Confirm. And now the display would show all weather skip entries. At the same time, if you feel the history is getting too cluttered, you can also delete some records. The process for viewing history also applies to deleting. Just click on the broom icon in the upper right corner and select the entries to remove Deletion Done. That covers how to view device runtime history in full. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, please visit our website at ImoLaza.com.